Okay, so we're gonna dunk the splinting material into hot water. It's just right below boiling. And we will know when it's ready because it will become clear. And that's one of the niceties of using aquaplast. Other materials are white and they don't become clear, but here we'll be able to see. You cannot use pencil on your splitting material because as soon as you put it in water, you can't use ink also, because as soon as you put it in water, you'll lose your pattern. That's why you either have to use an indelible ink pen or the yellow marker that I used. As you can see, we're getting it nice and clear. It's warm, but it's not burning me. And it's nice for the patient to see also that I'm touching the material because it's going to be warm when we put this on. We'll wait a little bit longer. You're going to hold the material with one hand.
And you're cutting on the outside of your yellow mark?
Yeah, the inside of the yellow mark.
Inside of the yellow mark.
So that you don't get the yellow mark on your splinting material. So on your splint. If you use an indelible ink pen, the mark comes out much darker. And for first-time splinters, it's actually easier to see.
You mean like a Sharpie, like a black Sharpie?
Exactly, an indelible ink Sharpie. I'm just going to redunk this little tip here. And I'm going to make it on you, correct?
Right.
Okay, so if you could sit there with your hand on the ring, that would be perfect. I don't know why this one piece will not just...
Heat up?
Yeah. Come on. There are a lot of different types of splint pans. This is a regular hydroculator where you put hot packs in. I take the hot packs out of it so I can have just plain water. But there are splint pans that are actually made just for splinting, but you have to lie the material down in it. I prefer this, but there are a lot of different offices out there that have splint pans. In fact, when I created this counter, it was this diameter here, this length here, was for a splint pan. So that's why it's cut out that way. Okay, here we go. Okay, Dr. Souther, just rest your hand here. You're going to put the splint on the hand. I'm going to first attend to the thenar crease, and I am going to actually pick up and place the material in a nice C around the thenar crease, and then the distal palmar crease. Keep your elbow down. There you go. Now I'm going to come over to this side of Dr. Southard, and I'm just going to place my two thumbs right in this web space to give her arch. Because when she leaves and she's relaxed and the hand is flat, you're going to want to make sure that there's an arch in there. And then we just really wait for it to harden. While this is hardening, Dr. Southern, please don't move. I'm going to cut straps.
How many straps will you cut?
We're going to cut 6 tabs, and then we need strapping material to wrap around your entire forearm in 3 different spots. So that's 4,
That's 5 you
and
have.
this is 5.
You have 5 there now. Here
And
comes
this is 6. And I'm cutting 6 so that it can get to that other, it will fit well on that little piece over here.
So this is going to be for the tab.
Yes.
Strap that goes around
There.
the tab.
Once you get good, it's kind of nice to put the Velcro on a splint that's still a little bit warm, because the adhesive will stick better. If you don't, then you need to heat gun the bottom of the adhesive to make it stick a little bit better. And then we need to get strapping